Welcome YouTube. This is Benji 2.0. Right now I am West Council Dallas with my family. I'm staying here like 3-4 days. The property is Blue Green Christmas Mountain. I already check in already. I show you some property, Blue Green property, little bit. Right now is going to the campground. The right side have some restaurant. Then right side they have a ski place. The close already because already winter done. Now spring break. Going to the campground. You have RV, you have camper, you have a caravan. You can park here. They have electric connection, water connection, sewer. You can make barbecue. You can use. They have a water park, the pool. Right now, campground is empty because the cold. You can bring your trailer. You can park here. Can enjoy. "24-hour security." They have some cottage near to the campground. This property have a campground, cottage, townhouse, like a cabin. It's different unit. This property, nice property, the Blue Green. Blue Green have all America, lot of properties. If you member, you can go enjoy. You can use the point. I'm going back my room. Please subscribe if you like the video. Thumbs up, support me. The coming more videos. Nice skiing place. Hi guys, this is my car. I'm leaving here 8:09. It's like a small townhouse. They have some fire like barbecue pit. You can do the wood barbecue or charcoal. You can make some barbecue, burger, whatever. There's another units. Right now it's like 6, 7 o'clock. It's a nice place. I'm going to the inside the townhouse. It's like a one bedroom and dining. They have one closet like that. It's like a living area, kitchen. We make some beef fry and some broccoli with the rice. This is a bathroom. This one bedroom house. This is the view outside.
This forest. I always live in the forest. But why do around the forest? Why are they not in the forest? Where's the? Know why? Where's the family? Oh, I think the big two ones, the two of the big ones, are the mom. We don't eat that.
Hey, come, baby.
Recording?
Slowly, yeah. Don't be fast, slowly. Slowly.
No problem, Didi. Okay.
Right now I'm making some beef roast and broccoli. This is a beef roast. It's a fish curry, tuna fish, and broccoli, vegetarian. Broccoli with the carrot and onion. Right now is a dinner. Is weather is like cold. I don't want to go outside, like the weather is so cold right now. It's windy too. It's almost 6 o'clock.
setting up the game.
This is the dinner beef roast.
This is a magnet?
Beef roast, you know. Good.
This is
I didn't
not-
put too much spicy. Just little bit
Can you be
paprika
inside
powder.
of the video?
This some vegetable like broccoli and carrot and a little bit beef inside. What call this?
Stir fry.
Stir fry. Yeah, this is a new wine. It's like basic wine, red wine. Then some chips. It's like jalapeno chips with the black pepper. It's good. This is the dinner today. I'm enjoying the dinner.
Trash and jam. Yeah.
ഞങ്ങളുടെ പ്രസംഗം ഞാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം കേട്ടായിരുന്നു. അതായത് താങ്കൾ പറയുന്നത് ഞാൻ ശബ്ദം വിറ്റാണ് ജീവിച്ചു തുടങ്ങിയത്. എന്റെ ശബ്ദം ആദ്യമായി കേട്ടത് പാലക്കാടാണ്. അങ്ങനെയെങ്കിൽ ആ ശബ്ദം നിയമസഭയിൽ ഉയരും. അപ്പൊ രാഷ്ട്രീയം പറയണെങ്കിൽ ഇപ്പൊ കോൺഗ്രസ് ചേരുക എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ കുറച്ച് ധൈര്യം വേണം. ഇപ്പോ ഭരണമില്ല, 15 വർഷമായി
Don't touch it.
ഭരണമില്ല, 10 വർഷമായി കേരളത്തിൽ ഭരണമില്ല. എന്തുകൊണ്ട് പിഷാരടി കോൺഗ്രസ് ചേരും?
Don't touch it.
അതായത് ആ ധൈര്യം വേണമെന്ന് പറയുന്നിടത്ത് തന്നെ ഒരു ജനാധിപത്യത്തിന്റെ കുറവ് നമുക്ക് ഫീൽ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. നമ്മളൊരു ജനാധിപത്യ രാഷ്ട്രത്തിൽ ഒരാൾ അയാളുടെ രാഷ്ട്രീയം തുറന്നു പറയുന്നതിന്
Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. We're leaving this place now. Mommy, I don't want to leave.
Why?
I want to stay. Mommy, I have a question. Every house is the same.
Hi guys, we are in leaving right now, going to Chicago. We stay like 3 days. A nice
four?
place, nice trip. You know, like a good pool. Enjoy the food. You know,
Met 4
we'll see you
is the day
next
we got
video.
here.
Thank you. Support me.
It's count. It counts.
Okay.
The day, we came here in 4 days. Is the day we got here counts as a day.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and the other 3 days we just stayed at.
Okay. What about David?
It was the question.
Yeah. How was your day?
Good.
How was the stay?
Good. Good. I have a question.
Yeah.
I went down the slide 100 times.
100 times.
Yeah, actually.
That's so cool. What about David?
In the park. Yeah, in the park. In the park. In the park. I
What's-
did it 60 times.
60 times.
40 times less. Sad. I like it.
You won.
You remember the race? Like the sliding race? Yeah. I won. Bro, because I always do the fun. I push you down the slide.
David, tell me about the Easter.
Easter, when Jesus Christ died, after 3 days, he reborn, which is called Easter. Happy Easter, Master. Jesus died after 3 days, and he reborn. Happy Easter, Master.